YouTube Shorts is one of the fastest and easiest ways to grow a YouTube channel because the short and 0 subscribers are needed. In this video, you'll learn a quick and easy way to post shorts on YouTube. This shorts video has received 13,000 views since it was published, gained 42 subscribers, and earned $16.66. Every 48 hours, it receives 179 new views. This shorts video has received approximately 4,000 views since it was published, gained 12 subscribers, and earned $4.75, and still gets 21 views every 48 hours. Here's how to record a short on your phone. Tap Create a Short. You have the choice of doing 15 seconds or 60 seconds. If I tap the 15 seconds, then I get 60 seconds. If I tap it again, I can do 15 seconds. If I tap the red button, then I'm now starting my YouTube Shorts. And I tap it again, then it stops the YouTube Shorts. If I want to restart, then I just tap this icon here to restart. And then I can tap the other icon if I want to go back to where I was before. After you've recorded your Shorts video, you can add different things to it using the icons on the right side of the screen. So I can flip it, I can speed it up. So I've got 0.3 times, 0.5 times, 2 times, and 3 times. I'm going to stick with 1 time. I've got a timer. If I wanted to set a timer on how long I want the video to be recorded, instead of 15 seconds, I can move the slider on the timeline to like 8 seconds or whatever. I can also do a countdown when the video actually starts. So I can do 3 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and I just tap start to start recording the video. If I tap filters, then I can do normal, and I've got all these different filters I can use to change the appearance of my video. When you're finished with the filter that you want to use, you can just tap done. I can also do align, so if I tap align, then I just align it. After you're finished with your Shorts video, tap the check icon. Now I can add music, so I tap music, and I can browse all the different songs. I can choose my favorites. Also, I can search for a particular song. So I got all these different genres, got hip hop, dance, electronic, pop, R&B and soul, Indian alternative, etc. These are all copyright-free songs. Just to look at me, I can also do tap adjust. Then I can adjust the audio. Just keep in mind, you can only use up to 15 seconds of the audio from the audio library on YouTube. I can just drag where the music starts. I can also adjust the volume by moving the slider here. I can also add text, so I tap text. Then I can add some text to my video. I can also align the text, make it heavy, marker, brush, typewriter, got all these different fonts. If I tap timeline, then I can trim the timeline, how I want my video to appear. Then I can also do filters. So I've got normal and all these different filters here. After you're finished, you can just tap done. And then you just tap next. It says by uploading you agree that to use the YouTube music for this and all future uploads is for personal commercial use only. Then I can add a title. I can choose unlisted, public or private, so I'm going to leave it unlisted, or I can schedule it as well. So you got that visibility settings. You've got no, it's not made for kids, or yes, it's made for kids. You just tap upload to upload YouTube Shorts, and that's all there is to it. I'm going to add a title, call this test, and tap upload. It says uploading to your videos, see the video. It says uploading, processing 95%. Okay, it's finished processing. Just tap on the video. Now I can see the video, I can like it, dislike it, check the comments, share it. Where will the YouTube Shorts appear? They'll appear on the short shelf when you scroll down on the YouTube app. They'll also appear when you tap the Shorts icon at the bottom of the screen on the YouTube app. If you've added a short section to YouTube channel homepage, then they'll show up on your channel page. Do your viewers get notified for every Shorts that you upload? YouTube does notify viewers every time you upload a YouTube Shorts to your YouTube channel. So if they clicked on the bell notification icon, they won't necessarily receive a notification about YouTube Shorts. Keep in mind that your Shorts notifications don't count towards your daily bell notification limits. What if you don't have the Shorts creation tool when you open up the YouTube app? This is probably because you're in a country where Shorts haven't been enabled on the YouTube app. You can still create a Shorts video using your phone or your computer. Just make sure it's in a vertical 9:16 format and it's under 60 seconds long. You also want to add the hashtag Shorts in the title or description of your Shorts video. Watch this video for step-by-step instructions on how to upload a YouTube Shorts video from your computer.